All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So competitive. Competitive. Yeah, competitive, like in a race. When you or other people are not working together, yet want the same things. Yeah. Yeah, they are all competing for first place. She is her competitor. Yeah. They are very competitive. Competitive. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So, he is very competitive. He is even more competitive than before. She wants to be more competitive in life. I am always competitive and pushing myself forward. Yes. How cool is that? He, she, I, they don't know how to be competitive. They always work together. How cool is that? He, she, I, they, it. It is a good reason. Okay, it is always a good idea to have a competitive edge against your competition. Oops. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So he is a lot more competitive now. So he has changed over the years and is more competitive. Yeah, he's just more competitive. He's got more drive. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. We're competing in the same race. Yeah. I am competing against them. Oops, them. I'm competing against them. Yeah, it is a very competitive race. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. Do you think they'll slowly become more competitive? Now, he is very competitive and is always, see, he's very competitive and always trying to win the tournament. Yeah, he is just naturally competitive. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, competitive. So, can you use competitive in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.